Hi guys, I'm Dhruv Mundra, first year MBBS student at GMC Goa. I secured 651 marks in NEET UG 2021 and under 4000 rank. So, in the last 4 to 5 months, I was studying more than 12 hours a day. मैं अपनी खुद की तारीफ नहीं कर रहा, that's just facts. तो I used a technique, which is a preparation and a study technique. एंड उस टाइम मुझे पता नहीं था आई एम यूजिंग द पोमोडोरो टेक्निक बट आफ्टर हैविंग रिसर्च और अब आई हैव कम अक्रॉस कि जो मेरा प्लान होता था उसका एक्चुअल में नाम पोमोडोरो टेक्निक है. सो I'll teach you what's the logic behind it and how I used to do it, okay? So, okay, so 35 minutes is our maximum retention span. According to scientists, after 35 minutes, our focus drops. It just drops because if you have noticed, if you study for more than an hour, 2 or 3 hours, you barely remember things you studied in the middle. That's because even if we watch a movie, right, it's actually a scientifically studied thing that the most of our attention is in the middle of the is in the start of the movie, and it gradually drops, and towards the end of the movie it gradually increases. For studies, it just decreases, right? It doesn't gradually come up. So the thing is, we play with the science, not against the science. We don't sit. If science says after 35 minutes your attention span drops, we say, okay, we'll study for 30 minutes. But the thing is, you have to give yourself very few, when you study for 30 minutes, एक stretch में आप 30 minutes पढ़ रहे हो, तो you can't expect a break of 30 minutes too. So what you have to do is study for 30 minutes पूरे focus के साथ, because your attention span is there. Then exact 30 minutes पे 31 भी नहीं होना चाहिए वो. You have to be disciplined to take a break also. Then exactly 5 minutes का break लो, अलार्म लगा लो चाहो तो, and be disciplined. वो जो आपके पास 5 मिनट है, those are like the 300 seconds you have. And the 300 seconds you have, you shouldn't spend more than like 301 नहीं होना चाहिए. You have to be disciplined. This is what you have promised yourself, that you want to secure as much marks as possible, and for securing as much marks as possible, you have to study as much as possible. And to study as much as possible, you don't have to procrastinate. And that's the reality of it. Discipline beats motivation. Like, there's a saying called hard work beats talent if talent doesn't work hard enough. I guess that's the quote. I read it on Instagram somewhere, but that doesn't matter. Take 300 seconds ka break after studying for 30 minutes. 30 minutes is not a big ask. Take 5 minutes break. Preferably just listen to one song, and while listening to the song आप बस खिड़की के बाहर देख रहे हो. 30 minutes आप बार बार 30 minutes के लिए पढ़ोगे तो your eyes are getting strained, obviously, hence the specs. तो जो वो breaks में try to look outside the window, greenery देखो. If you are living in Delhi, I don't know what you'll do about the greenery part, but while listening to a song, एक song सुनो, बाहर देखो, आंखों को थोड़ा आराम मिलेगा. So the thing is, you have to do 6 such sessions. Like आपको टोटल 3 घंटे का तब भी पढ़ना है, बट आप उसको एक गो में नहीं पढ़ रहे हो, ब्रेक ले लेके पढ़ रहे हो. आपने 30 मिनट्स पढ़ा, 5 मिनट ब्रेक, 30 मिनट्स पढ़ा, 5 मिनट ब्रेक, 30 मिनट्स पढ़ा, 5 मिनट ब्रेक, ऐसे करके 6 बार करना है. और 6 बार पढ़ने के बाद then you have 5 minutes plus a big break of 30 minutes now. it doesn't sound like it doesn't sound like a very big break, I know, but see, this Pomodoro technique is for the high achievers out there. It's not for everyone. It's not for the weak hearted. So 6 such sessions, you are allowed to take one big break after 6 sessions. And believe me, if you use this technique sincerely, you'll definitely touch at least 8 to 9 hours a day, and with practice surely you'll cross 12 hours a day, who knows, 14 hours, who knows. That depends on how well you do it. So that was the Pomodoro technique. Do tell me in the comment section if you implemented and whether that works for you or not. मेरे लिए work करा था. That's how I came second in Goa. I shouldn't flex that again and again, but I'm sure many of you will get much better marks than me. But मेरा काम है आपसे knowledge जितना मेरे पास है share करना. Anyways, before ending the video, I must share you where I got the inspiration of making this video from. So there's this guy called Aditya Ames. I don't know his full name. Aditya Gupta maybe. He has cracked all the three, like he has done all the 3 degrees from Ames Delhi and secured under 20 ranks in all of them. And that's just crazy. And this is what he did. And this is what I did too, without even knowing कि I was doing this, right? And I believe this technique is surely worth a try. And you know, if it works, you can always thank me. Please hit that subscribe, whatever, yeah. And thank you for watching.